Hi, baby. I'm so proud of you. What are you doing? Wow. Ooh. Look at this handsome white guy digging hole. Look at him. He's very happy of what he's doing. Look, 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 look. Oh, look at him. Isn't it amazing? Look at him, very hard working.
She sits over and does nothing.
Look at him. He's the mama's favorite. That's why he's doing that. Ooh. Look. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, push. Wow. It's a nice sideline, baby. And look at that. Wow. I'll show this to your kids someday. Yeah, they'll be proud of you. Digging hole. Look. Yeah. Because you are the favorite. Dun 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 dun. There's a big spider there. So proud of this guy. Very proud. Look at him. Day of Dustin Lindsay. Puta! Ah! I hate you! Shit. He's holding a worm. Shit. I'm scared of worm. He's such an a-hole. Dang. A very a-hole. I'm telling you. Ah. Stop it! Why are you holding that?
Came out.
Came out.
It knew you were here.
Such an a-hole. Look at him. Look at him. Now I know. Why? Because I was volunteering to plant trees. He said, no, it's Dustin. He's an a-hole. He's holding a worm and I ran off.
Is that good?
Thank you. Oh, that's sweet.
Just one?
Baby, I'm proud of you. Look at him. He's already complaining. And he just did that. Digging hole. And that's it. Cleaning car. And he's already tired. And he's complaining. Look at him.
They tied to it?
Here comes the baby. Mowing. The mom and the son. Bonding.
I think it's attached to something at the bottom.
You want some knife?
Jump.
Escape?
You see it. Jump.
Scrape.
I can't do it.
Aw,
Rocks and shit.
proud of you, baby. There you go. He was so pissed. Look at you. You've done something today. See? You saved the global Earth today by planting. A round of applause to Dustin. Your staff will be proud of you. You're a role model. He's not happy at all. Look at his face. Here comes another one. Wow. You just look at your mom. Your mom is doing it nicely. You just look at you. Look at him, look at him.
Like Dexter.
You should plant trees also for Dexter. Did you visit Dexter's grave? Oh, cremated. Body then.
Body cremated.
And who was there? Oh.
Ivory. Ivory's down there.
I'm so proud of you. Look at you. You happy? Mission accomplished? You achieved something today. You plant 2. Is this trees? Are these trees?
Bushes.
Oh, see? You plant 2 bushes. Your staff is gonna be proud of you. Did you know that? Yeah, you save a global earth today. You dig how many worms?
Up to 11.
11? You counted? You dig 11 worms? Good job. And I'm proud of you. You should be proud of yourself.
It's hot. Yeah.
Bye, bye, bye. And it's still busy right there, mowing.
It had one bloom on it.
Oh. Oh, why there's Regina here?
That's the tree I planted.
Oh. You have one too. Here.
Oh, okay.
Two.
Oh, I
Have
didn't
two.
see that one up there.
Hi friends! So, ngayon, today's video, I'll show you all the plants that my mother-in-law. So, let's go. And also today, my hubby, he planted 2 bushes out of his, well, he really doesn't want it, but he doesn't have a choice because he's a favorite. Okay, all right, I'll show you. This is a front house, so there's plants there too. Front of the house. Yeah. Oh, there's another bird, but I don't know what bird is that. There. There you go. I'm not sure what is that. Oh, maybe that's the lady cardinal. Yeah, the red ribbon was the boy cardinal, maybe. I'll just ask. So this is the first plant, honored in memory of Regina Wood, which is my mother's in-law's best friend. There's another one here. I'm not really good in plants, but yeah. There's one in here. Then let's come and check. Oh, also last time we put some wood like this black thing, I think, to help for the soil. Not sure, but yeah, we spread this wood so around this plant. And then same thing like here. Yeah. And I have one here. There's another one here too. So this place they owned it, and there you go. So there is a Freedom Tree Farms. It says Magnolia, so this is Magnolia. There you go. And where is the one that? Ouch. Ouch. These are the 2 bushes that Dustin planted. I just, ow. Their fireplace. It just slipped. Okay, there's another one here. Yeah, they're all died. This one is supposed to have it. This one. There's one. Have one here. There's plenty actually. I have one here. Alright. They also planted this one. Small flowers. There you go. There's one in here. So this is their swimming pool area. So they will open it very soon. Have that one here. There you go. And according to my mother-in-law, Robin, that this one lives annually and they will die after a year. I have one here too. This one. Okay. It's still mowing. There you go. That's my father-in-law. So they own that one around. So we are now at the back of the house. Is their cabana. I just slipped. It's painful. I have one over there. I'm not really familiar with all the flowers or plants that they're planting. So there are some here too. There you go. This is their garage. Let's go to the front. Let's check. Oh yeah, we have one here too. It's 6 p.m. Still have lights. There's one. There you go. We have that one too. And then there's one here. Alright. So after she finished her work, so these until there, they own that. Yeah. I have this one too. And another one here. Then another one here. This is the front of the house. There you go. And this one. This giant, massive trees. And sometimes I also see the cardinal, the national bird here in Kentucky. Yeah, usually. So these are the food for the birds. I'll take a video next time. But yeah, usually the cardinals goes there. Then that's their own. So somebody came here because this is a new grass, and somebody came because no more grass is growing, so that's a new grass, as you can see. Yeah, so that area is sealed. And there's another one here, and then another one there. This is a massive place. And there is another one here, which is magnolia again. And then yeah, those areas, yeah, this one until there, yeah, all the way right there. That's their own. Yeah, they own that. So as you can see, my father and oh, there you go. That's a cardinal. I just saw it. There you go. That's the cardinal. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this bird, those birds. Yes, that bird. Alright, so that is the national bird in Kentucky. Where is it now? Cannot find it here. Oh, the bird flew. Oh, well, please, like what I said. Yeah, like what I said, I will show you where's the bird. The bird. So yeah, it's quite big. Oh, I'll show you also the grave for their pets. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. So there's a cat there with Granny's cat and some dogs. So that's their animal graves, pet graves. So yeah, they own that until there. Oops. You can see me. Yeah. This one, that area. Okay, and that's it. That's their place. And yeah. So yeah, that's it for today. I just showed you all the plants here. And yeah, until the next video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye.